coat. It's a white coat. Dr. Oh, this guy wants this pocket spot.
Oh, New Genesis.
Ah. Squad up.
Roll your window down, roll back up.
Jeez.
That's what it did to me. Amazing.
Look at that thing, man. Wow. Alright, what's going on, guys? So right now we're in the Genesis and we're actually going up the parking garage. Yeah,
Day two.
It's the same one we got kicked out of yesterday, but we're gonna try and be a little quieter this time. My friend left Robert's wallet inside or on the wheel well of his car, so we have to go get it right now because he left it at his house a few days ago. And he works at the mall, so yeah.
Success drives.
People always look at me while I'm vlogging and driving like I'm gonna kill them with my car or something.
Well, it's because you're like, you're supposed to look at the camera. I had a dream.
That guy waved. He was like, yo.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this guy's gonna back in here.
Do it, man. He knows what's up. He's got the power. He's like, yo.
So far we haven't set off any car alarms, so I think we're in the clear. But he did say the 3rd floor, so we got one more to go. Yeah, no, it's actually really hard to do. Let's practice. It sounds really cool. Oh. No, that's not the car.
That's the 525i.
It's a 525i.
Looks like a Camry on the back.
It looks like a Camry. David, is he on the 4th floor?
He may have taken the 4th. We can do it.
Alright, so we thought David's car was on the 3rd floor, but I guess it's on the 4th floor. Go figure.
It's so rainy out right now.
Oh man, it's pouring. There it is. There's the Camry.
Hot.
Boom. Get it, Robert. What did he say? Passenger side, rear door, or rear wheel? Hey. We in business. I don't have to pay for Robert's shit anymore. Thank God. We good.
Yeah, boy.
We good.
Your boy's got his wallet
Johnny
back.
saving money. Johnny saving. So we got the wallet now. Robert's chilling with the wallet. Yo. And then, so now we are going to head out probably.
Where are we going? Like,
Probably get some food, man, because I'm really hungry.
yes.
I just want you to see some of this rain right now because it is absolutely terrible outside. Look at this. It's California, people. Like, I don't know, this is not normal for California, okay? I'm gonna film this exact same thing in the summertime.
These birds are still flying around.
So we decided to stop off. This happens a lot, actually. Be surprised. But we actually decided to stop off, and we're gonna do a little spontaneous iHop run because iHop is the shit, and everyone knows it. Look at this.
Breakfast is life.
You getting food? What are you getting? You know? Alright.
Thinking? It's 11.
What is it? Is it build your own breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's probably what I'll get, honestly. iHop, and we just ran into the Dollar Tree because we needed to get that packaging envelope. And we got these drinks, these Hershey's milk chocolate cookies and cream drinks. Robert was curious, so yeah, we're gonna give these a shot right now, and you guys get to see our. All right, so we got these drinks, these Hershey's milkshake cookies and cream things. We're gonna try them. We mainly went for these because we heard they were 99 cents a piece, and you can't even pass that up. So here we are.
All right.
Cheers me. Cookies and cream milkshake. You ready?
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's kind of like if you've ever had like vanilla pudding. It kind of tastes like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a liquid vanilla pudding.
I don't taste any Hershey's though.
There's no Hershey's in here.
There's none.
I'll drink it.
Don't drop the camera.
Let's do it. What's going on, guys? Alright, so we just got back to the house and we decided that because it's raining, it's pretty much impossible to vlog out in the rain when it's raining. And I'm going to work on some email stuff, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We didn't really do much, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow for the next one, and we'll see you then. Peace out.